Polaris Ranger RZR 800 EFI. I took the brush guard, and this one's equipped with a plow off. We had 2 bolts going right through here, 4 bolts right underneath here. We are, there's the brush guard. Had to get that out of the way because that gives us access to the drain for the front differential. And then right up in here is the fill, right there. So fill, no problem to get to, but the drain was because of the brush guard and the plow attachment. So I drained it out into my oil jug, and we are gonna put the plug back in underneath there and then fill it up through there. You can use a pump bottle. I got a little funnel with a hose here. And this is what we're gonna use in the differential. This is what it said to use. Demand drive fluid, Polaris all-terrain for hub and centralized Hilliard clutches. So Polaris demand drive fluid, all-terrain. That's the fluid type. So we pour this in. After we put our bottom drain plug back in, we fill it up through that right there. I'll get a backwards view here, so passenger side front. There's the hole, and we'll fill it up till it starts running out there slightly, and that'll be full. And these are your drain plugs right here. You got a little O-ring. Make sure that O-ring's still good. If not, replace it. And the Allen size on that, what do we got here? 8mm Allen. And that's how we change the differential fluid in this Razor.